LT's chemistry collection, developed in partnership with Vernier, comes complete with professionally designed labs for flexible learning in all environments. The collection introduces a variety of concepts fundamental to chemistry, including acid-base titration, states of matter, heats of reaction, synthesis, and equilibria principles. LT is the only online learning platform with real-life data acquisition. Students in the lab can record data directly into LT using Vernier's suite of plug-and-play GoDirect sensors, or use our built-in example data to complete labs remotely. Labs are informed by the American Chemical Society recommendations and built on the core principles of active learning. You can tailor any content in LT to suit your course, swap lessons, make edits, or author from scratch. Editing is easy and intuitive. Then use LT to deliver your course to your students in the lab or online. Check out the link to experience LT for chemistry today.